Nothing in life makes me feel more comfortable than spending a night in a hotel. That is, depending on how luxurious the hotel is. The nicer the hotel, the more comfortable. A freshly made bed, clean towels, a refreshing minibar, room service. The right hotel can provide you with anything you'll ever need to live comfortably, as long as you're paying. And of course, as these accommodations grow more and more extravagant, so does the bill. Not surprisingly, I was curious to find out how high this bill could get. What hotel offers the most expensive and, hopefully, most luxurious living experience? The answer to that question is the Mark Hotel. Not shockingly, the Mark Hotel is in Manhattan on the Upper East Side. The hotel was built in 1927, but in 2006 the building underwent a major renovation that lasted all of 3 years. By 2009, the insides of this historic building were completely replaced and upgraded. All of the inner workings of the hotel were reimagined by the famous designer, Shock Grange. The outside was left untouched, and its historic character has been maintained. New Yorkers frequent the building because it houses a Jean Georges restaurant as well as a Frederick Fekkai salon. Celebrities visit the Mark annually to attend the Met Ball, as it has become the go-to gathering spot before the extravagant festivities begin. And now there is a new reason to come to the Mark Hotel, but only if you've got the cash flow. The Mark holds the record for the most expensive hotel suite in the world. At $75,000, anyone who's got a big enough pocket can enjoy the penthouse suite located on the 16th and 17th floors. Suite isn't the most accurate description, considering it consists of a living room with a 26-foot tall ceiling, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 2 wet bars, and 4 fireplaces. The entire interior space comes about 10,000 square feet, not to mention the 2,500 square foot rooftop terrace overlooking Central Park that the suite also includes. While the penthouse is not new, it only just recently became available to rent. Before the renovation was even finished, a family rented the penthouse for 16 months. General manager for the Mark Hotel explained that the family got a reduced price because they planned on living there for such a long period of time. If you were wondering how much coin that family ended up dropping, a nearby 10,000 square foot townhouse was selling for $24.7 million, while a 16-month stay at the current published rates would clock in at around $36.5 million. Lord Ornois was the one who came up with the price for the penthouse suite. He also pointed out in an interview with Bloomberg, a competitor, the Ty Warner penthouse suite at the Four Seasons spans 4,500 square feet, has 4 terraces, but only 1 bedroom, and goes for $50,000 a night. There is no way we would price our penthouse at the same level, as it is so much bigger.